Hello guys, my name is Charles Kings. In this channel, I'll be showing you how you can get free money to start trading your Forex account in 2025. And if you are not a Forex trader, I'll be showing you how you can start making money online in 2025 without depositing any money. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $50 no deposit bonus that you can get without having to verify your KYC. Yes, you don't have to verify your KYC. It requires no stress at all you just have to do is to make sure that you watch this video to the very end. And if you know that this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe right now, like my video, comment, and most importantly, do not forget to turn on your notification button. And if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, I'm afraid this might be the last time we are probably gonna see. So make sure you subscribe right now. So now to proceed, this is my Telegram channel. As you can see right here on my screen, this is my Telegram channel. And as you can see, these are the withdrawal proofs that we've been getting. A lot of people have been withdrawing back to back, and these are the withdrawal proofs. And just like this no deposit bonus that I posted yesterday, this one also you'll be withdrawing from it. All you just have to do is to make sure that you watch this video to the very end. These are the withdrawal proofs, and these are the no deposit bonuses and profit accounts, different way of making money online in 2025 that I have been sharing in my Telegram group. And if you know that you don't want to miss out on these free opportunities, make sure you subscribe right now. And also, let me take you to the discussion group in case you have anything to talk about, any question. In case you have any question, I won't be answering to any question in this my Telegram channel. There is a discussion group for that, and I will take you to where it is right now. And as you can see right here, this is our discussion group. This is where people usually and talk about how they can withdraw and they solve their problem by themselves, and sometimes I attend to them, and anything that they can do, I help them to do it. This is the discussion group. So if you're having or facing any difficulty, don't hesitate to come down here and type. This is it over here. You are free to type it out. So now, moving forward to claiming the bonus, make sure you watch this video to the very end, because the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit will be in my Telegram channel and will also be in the discussion group. So make sure that you don't miss out. And also, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you do well by subscribing right now, so that you won't miss out on the future no deposit bonus. So now that you've joined my Telegram channel and you've clicked on the link in my Telegram channel, you'll be brought to this interface. So once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to create your account, because you are a new user. I believe you're a new user, alright, because this bonus is only available for the new users. So click on create account. And once you click on create account, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this, whereby you have to enter your name, your email, your password, confirm your password again, enter your city, enter your phone number, let them know that you are not a robot, and click on sign in and click on sign up. All right, make sure you click on sign up. So once you are done with all of this, click on sign up. And I want you to note that this no deposit bonus requires no KYC at all, so you don't have to bother yourself about verification. So once you are done, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. All right, and I have told you the other time, you don't have to verify your KYC before you can be able to get this bonus account. So what we are going to do is that, as you can see down here, this is a demo account. We are not going for this demo account. We are not going to open this demo account, because the one we want is the one that we'll be able to withdraw from. So right now, I want you to pay attention, because this is where I'm going to be showing you how you can get your free $50 no deposit bonus. So pay attention. So now I'll be discussing about the terms and condition, but before I do that, let me show you how you can get your $50 no deposit. I will be showing you how you can get your $50 no deposit bonus. So in order for you to get it, all you have to do is to click on this stereo line above here. Click on this stereo line, scroll down, and as you can see, this is the space of no deposit bonus accounts. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to bring you to somewhere like this. So as you can see, this is their terms and condition for the $50 no deposit bonus. New client will receive a $50 bonus upon successful account creation and verification. The bonus allows clients to begin trading without need for initial deposit. As I have told you already, you don't have to deposit any money before you can be able to start trading with your $50 no deposit bonus, and before you can be able to withdraw from it. And account growth requirement. What is required in order for you to be able to withdraw? To qualify for the further benefits, clients must grow their account balance to $1,000 using free $50 no deposit bonus. So now let's move forward to where you are going to get this no deposit bonus. And as you can see, we will have to create a new account for our no deposit bonus because we don't have any no deposit bonus right now. So click on create new. So once you click on create new, as you can see, this is it over here. This is the balance and this is your ID. This is it, and you have successfully created no deposit bonus. So now our $50 no deposit bonus has been claimed, and here is our login details. Here is our login details, and it will also be sent to your email account, your login details that you are going to be using to log in into your MT5 Trader app so that you can start trading it. So I'll be showing you how you can log in to your your $50 no deposit bonus into your MT5 account. So make sure you pay attention right now. As you can see, this is our login credentials for MT5 Trader app, and right now what you are going to be doing is that you'll be copying your account number and your password. The reason why I'm blocking it from you guys is because of security purpose. So I'll be copying mine right now. Let me copy it. I'll be copying it and I will add on to my MT5 Trader app, so you too can add on to your MT5 Trader app. And I want you to note that you can only use your MT5 Trader app. You can use your MT4 Trader app. You can only use your MT5 Trader app. All right, so let's go and check for the name of the broker. Once you get there, the name of the broker is Meekness MT5. So once you get to MT5, search for Meekness or Meekness MT5. So once you get there, as you can see, this is it over here. I'll just copy my login. I'll paste my login. I will go back to go and copy my password. So let me copy my password. I'll copy my password. I will go back to my MT5 and paste my password here. I'll paste my password there. I'm coming. So now that I've pasted my password, the next thing for us to do is to click on login. So click on login, and as you can see, our bonus has been credited. This is our bonus over here. This is our bonus over here. The reason why they are not bringing it out for us to see is because I've already claimed mine, and they can't allow me to claim it once. I've already gotten mine, and they can't allow me to get it again. So once you are done, your $50 no deposit bonus will be shown up right here. All right, for more questions, and if you have been able to get yours, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. And for questions, drop your question in the comment section. I'll be replying to everything in the discussion group. So don't forget to join the discussion group and my Telegram channel for money making updates. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your trade.